Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. You might have seen these kind of tops on Pinterest and other online stores, and this technique is called shirring and it's really easy to do. So today I'll be doing a simple demonstration of shirring. This is the fabric that I'm using for this demonstration. It's plain muslin. It's better to use cotton for shirring. You can start by marking the stitch lines. Over here I'm just giving 1 inch width between each line. It's up to you to decide. If you want something like an intricate shirring, you can give 0.5 inch or less than that. If you're a beginner, you can draw the lines throughout the fabric. For these tops, the shirring width has been given a little bit more, just like 1 inch. And in here you can see some kind of intricate shirring where they have given something less than 1 inch. So I have just marked my stitch lines over here. I have also left my seam allowance and I won't be stitching on that part. We'll just be stitching on the lines. So this is how the stitch is going to happen. It's going to go like a loop so that the thread is not wasted. Also, while drawing, try to use a fabric pen which can be erased later on. Don't use chalk. Stitch length can be adjusted to 4, which is usually used for gathering. You can adjust the tension to 9. If 9 doesn't work, you can go for lesser ones like 5. This is the elastic thread that I'm going to use. You can take your bobbin and you can just hand wind it onto it. You can't do machine winding because the thread might lose its elasticity. So even while doing this hand winding, you have to be careful not to stretch it too much because it might affect the final stitch. So gently you can just wind it around the bobbin. So I've just started doing my stitching and I'm just gonna follow the lines. I'm not gonna cut the thread in between. I'm just going to follow the loop so that the thread is not wasted. It's getting shirred and you can see the gathers. If you're not getting these kind of gathers, or if you feel that the thread is getting cut in between, that is mainly because the tension is wrong in your machine. So you can just correct that. You can adjust between different tension. So I'm just gonna go on a loop like that. To get some good shirring, you can just stretch the fabric like that, just like that. After stitching 2 lines of shirring, you can just stretch your fabric and see that if the thread is loose or if it is getting cut. If it is not getting cut, or if it is strong enough, then you're doing it the right way, and you can just continue the same process. So this is how our fabric came out. This is the back side. You can also see the seam allowance without any kind of shirring, so that you can stitch properly. And this is the right side, or the good side. You can see chalk marks. That's why I told you not to use chalks. Use some kind of fabric pen. Also, the fabric has reduced to around 1.5 of its total length. So you always need to make sure that you have extra fabric before shirring, since it's going to reduce. So you need to take 1.5 or 1.5 extra of the desired breadth you want. Hope you like this video, and thanks a lot for watching. Also do subscribe to my channel.